Hey guys, Dave here, and we are going to take a look at a Cape Cod that we're going to be remodeling in the next week or two, and we have a lot of work set for this particular home. It's a small Cape Cod. We're going to be taking off the entire roof. We're going to be adding 3 beds and a bathroom upstairs. The existing staircase will stay in place, and then we're going to, on the outside, we're going to completely revamp the exterior of the house. We're going to add some eyebrows roofing going around mid-level of the home, some return roofs, some gables, and it's going to be a really nice looking home when it's completely done. We just pulled up. Let's go take a look at the house now. Okay, so here we are. This is the little Cape Cod that we're going to be remodeling soon. It's a small house, existing staircase in the front center, and we're going to be taking off the roof on this house. We're going to be going up. We're going to be adding a new portico over the front door, and we're going to also add some decorative stone on the front wall. This particular home is getting a driveway package, so we're going to be changing the driveway, some sidewalk going from the street up to the front. We're going to be completely remodeling this house. Let's take a look at the sides. Okay, here on the left side of the house, we have a door, 2 windows. So the doorway in the first floor, all the first floor windows are going to stay on this particular home. We're going to be adding a new window unit for the entire second floor that's going to complement the first floor windows, almost match up identical. And you can see from this gutter up, everything is going to be brand new on this house with the top floor. And then we're going to remove the exterior and put our brand new advanced siding package on the house. Let's take a look at the back. Okay, so the back of this house has a chimney that you can see in the center of the rear roof. That chimney is going to remain. It's tied into the existing utilities, hot water heater, furnace. That's going to all remain in place. What we're going to do is when we add the second floor, we're going to extend that chimney, and then we're going to tie in the chimney around our brand new roof line. So let me show you the back of the house. Okay, so the back here has just a window or two. You can see the chimney up there. Now when we remove the roof, we're going to actually have a cantilever out the back here, which will be part of the bathroom and the rear bedroom. When we go up with the walls, we're going to wall around the chimney, and then we'll extend that chimney up through the new roof. This back here, again, this whole rear roof is coming off. We're going to pull off all the shingles here and the siding, and everything will be brand new. If we look over here on this side, see the old shingle on the house, and again, it's all coming off. Brand new advanced siding package we're going to install on this home. Guys, we're going to be completely remodeling this house. I want you to stay tuned. If you have any questions, give us a call. Ask for me. I'm Dave. My number is 201-774-3733. Reach for me. If you have any questions, let me know. Hey, Jax. Who's that?